Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert web page to PDF in Microsoft Edge. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to open Microsoft Edge. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. Click on it under the best match. Now maximize it. Now let's just try to search something. Let's say for example, I'm going to search for computer. Hit enter. And let me just quickly open this website from www.computerhope.com. Click on that. Now, how can you make this website as a PDF? Well, it's very easy. Just simply click on the three dots on the top right corner of your Microsoft Edge browser. And here you'll find the option print. Click on that. You can also press Ctrl P on keyboard. Now here you'll find this one under printer. Click on this drop down arrow and you will find the option save as PDF. Now once you click on that option, you can also choose the layout if you want portrait or landscape. Now let's just go with portrait. Now simply click on save. And then you will have to choose as to where in the destination paths you would want it to be saved. I'm just going to go with desktop. Now the file name, I'm just going to leave it as it is and then click on save. And now let's see if we have just saved this in our desktop. And here it is. We just need to simply double click on it. And there you go. You have just saved it as a PDF in your Windows. From website into PDF real quick. So this is how you can do it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.